You thought you were the island far from shore, forgetting the vast ocean at your core. The mask was heavy, the sleep was deep, but the promise we did keep. Listen now, beneath the noise of fear, the ancient frequency is drawing near. It rises from the root, it cracks the shell, the tone that breaks the grand illusion spell. To the eyes of the stranger near, do you see the same light waiting there? The story of division was a play. We fold the stage and welcome the new day. No false light can mimic what you are. You are the birth of every distant star. Source aligned in truth we stand, holding the universe in an open hand. We have always been